Hi, my name is Sam, and in today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of freelancing for project managers. Trust me, it's a game changer. Picture this: no more mundane office politics or working under restrictive rules. As a freelance project manager, you have the freedom to choose your projects, clients, work schedule. It's a dream come true. You might be wondering, how do I get started in this exciting freelancing journey? Let me break it down for you. First things first, identify your area of expertise as a project manager. Are you skilled in IT, construction, marketing, or event managing? Narrowing down your niche will help you target the right clients and projects. Step 2, build your online presence. Create a professional website and optimize your LinkedIn profile. Showcase your past projects, certifications, and testimonials from satisfied clients. An impressive online presence will make you stand out from the competition. Step 3, network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other freelancers and potential clients. Build a strong professional network is essential for finding exciting projects and gaining referrals. Step 4, master the art of proposals. Learn how to craft persuasive project proposals. Clearly define your deliverables, timelines, and pricing, highlighting your unique skills and how you can add value to the client's project. A well-written proposal will help you increase chances of winning projects. Remember, freelancing requires dedication and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth it. With each successful project, you gain valuable experience, expand your professional network, and increase your earning potential. If you want to see what the best freelance websites are for project managers, then click on the card on the right-hand side of this video. So, if you're a project manager ready to take control of your career and enjoy the freedom and flexibility of freelancing, what are you waiting for? Start your freelancing journey today and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for watching today's video on freelancing for project managers. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow project manager friends. Until next time, happy freelancing.